Hey guys, welcome to Scalar Insights. We're going to be talking about Lovable.dev, which seems to be the new AI tool that a lot of people are talking about. It's a no-code platform that people are using to build full-stack applications. It's basically just using a prompt and getting a website. I think it's a great way to instantly uh, build an MVP or websites. It also renders the changes live. Some of you might heard of an app called Bolt.dev. So I think it's kind of like that, but it's the latest thing that people are giving a shot. So I thought I'd share a few things around that. So yep, there you go. Let's try to create. Let's say try to create like just one of the things that they're suggesting. Maybe the Hacker News Top 100. So an app showing today's top 100 stories from Hacker News. Use Algolia Hacker News API, show a skeleton placeholder while fetching. I should also be able to click on a read more link that should open the entry in a new tab and search stories. Let's go. Okay, we just have to sign in here real quick. Okay, we're gonna skip all that and generate. Okay, seems to be stuck. So let's see. Use React Next.js, and let's send that guy. Doesn't seem to be working. Stuck, it seems. Ah, okay, it seems like there was a minor issue, but you just click on start. Let's see what it does. Oh, there you go. So it did generate the top 100 stories from Hacker News. That's pretty good. Okay. The heck. That's funny. Yeah, I think you can see all these different posts that people have made. Interesting. Yeah, let's say you want to see the comments. Let's try that. Can you generate? I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Generate the comments that people posted in addition to the posts. Let's see if it can generate that as well. So it says I'll modify the code to fetch and display comments for each Hacker News story. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I think you can edit the code. One of the things I find that makes it slightly different from Bolted News, I can't really see the files that are being edited. It just shows me like a blank screen, and it seems to just render the website as it's building. But oh, yeah, so we can see the comments now. That looks great. That's nice. Okay. What if we want to comment? So let's see if we can. Can you add a way for the user to comment? And see. Let's see if that does the job. So this is cool. You can see all these different comments, but as you'll see, Hacker News sometimes has um, upvotes and downvotes and all that stuff. So it would be nice if you can sort of do that. Let's see if it's more responsive. Yeah, it seems to be doing well. Let's test out search binaries. Nice. Not bad. Let's go back to the view. Oh, there you go. Test comment. Sorry. Ha. So you can see that I think there's sort of a note that you can see that this is like a demo comment, right? This is a demo. The Hacker News API. It doesn't actually allow posting, so this is cool. Um, let's see. Could we see the upvotes and downvotes? Okay, so it does say that provides only single point score for each story, not separate upvotes and downvotes counts. The current code already displays this points value for each story. Um, okay, I see. Okay, let's try to make the interface more exciting and just let's be vague. Let's just say make the interface exciting, give it a cyberpunk theme. Let's see what it does. Huh. Just take a while. I think it's because we're not in the paid version. In the meantime, we could probably explore a few more things. See what they have to say recently. They seem to work well with Superbase as a database, which I highly recommend. I personally use Superbase for a lot of my side projects. I think they have a great pricing tier. Um, See what Lovable really costs. So pricing, you can start for free and upgrade. 20 bucks a month. Everything is free. Plus, go beyond the daily limits. Unlimited private projects. I think it's cool. I think it's the tier is much more generous than Bolt. With Bolt, you really run out of tokens sometimes, at least for now. So I don't know. Once they have a competition from Lovable.dev, they might decide to make a few changes to that. Maybe, yeah. Let's see. It's a 50 bucks plan for individual projects, and well, it seems like there are limits on the starter. So I'm not. It's 100. Okay, so that's I don't know what that really means, and how whether they consider tokens because we haven't. We can talk about Boulder. It's the one tool I've been using, but we can cover this in a separate video. But I just want to sort of compare the pricing. Uh, see, okay. Well, I don't have it set up yet, but maybe we will compare the pricing in a separate video. For now, let's just look at the other plans. We have the scale 100 a month for individuals working on large projects. You get everything in launch, plus large limits, message limits, early access to new features. Okay, so uh, how does it work? So an AI software engineer enables anyone to build for the web. You simply chat instantly and build websites and web apps with no technical knowledge needed. I kind of agree and disagree with this because as much as this whole thing is driven by prompts, I think that at the core you really need to know how to change things when they don't work out, and I think they might be using powerful models like the Chat GPT 4.0 and Cloud Sonnet 3.5, but which is great at coding. But I find that the challenge sometimes is in putting more the challenge comes about in when things start becoming complex, right? So we rebuilt Hacker News here, right? And it's great, but it does look great. I think, wow, I think this is something I could probably post, but can we do one more thing to this and sort of add? Let's just add. Um, let's just say add Navigation. Oh, see, let's add a section because I'm not sure where to place it. Add a section to show the most popular hacker use posts in the past. Add one more section to show the trending posts on AI. Let's see. So it did add that cyberpunk theme and looks pretty good. Let's see if it updated the toast. Oh, it did. So it changed the entire theme here, and you can see uh, that it did update the toast. Nice. So you can see, I think it's creating like a story card component here. I wonder how I can see the sort of all the files that are being edited. I think this is nice. While it's generating, maybe we can take the liberty to go and build something else. Wow, this seems cool. 3D product viewer. Let's give that a shot. So I guess I'm done for the limits, but at some point, I guess if any one of you has some free tokens, you could give that a shot and see what it gives you. But yeah, I feel like this isn't too bad. I just added this whole thing that says shows some things which have the latest trending posts. So it says the code has been refactored and new sections for the popular AI trending stories have been added while maintaining all existing functionality. Okay. We get see the points, see by who posted it, read more. It's fancy. I'm tired of AI. Okay, let's see what. Okay, it's just. So some of these things might not be readable. Let's say let's make the comments more readable. They feel bland. I don't know what's gonna do with it. Oh yeah, we're out of tokens. I think this isn't bad. I'll post another video. Maybe I'll try subscribing. I currently have a bold.new subscription, so once that's over, I will probably give this guy a shot and see how it goes. But you know, maybe the next video I'll post, we could take the same thing and try it with bold.new and see what it does. But yeah, do check this out. And I might come back and look back to this. Otherwise, have a great time. Bye.